Hello and welcome. My name's Lina. We're going to do a quick full body stretch yoga practice today. You might want a pillow. That's optional. So let's get started. So we're going to come onto the mat, laying down, and you can use your pillow to place it right at your bottom, bringing your feet together like this. And then you're just going to lie over it. Now you don't have to use a pillow if you don't want to. You can place your palms on your belly or above you. Just take a couple of deep breaths here. And then bringing your knees together. You might want to use your hands for that. Just lifting up a little, taking your pillow and placing it to one side, and then just bringing your knees into your chest, using your hands to bring them towards your heart, and then placing your feet down onto the ground, placing one foot on your knee and then just bringing that towards you. You might want to place your hands underneath the thigh or on your shin, just feeling a beautiful stretch on your hip, and then placing that down, placing the other foot on your knee and placing your hand either under your thigh or your shin and pulling it towards you, and then bringing that foot down. Now you can just roll to one side and come up. And now we're going to come on to our fours, so tabletop, and then we're going to look up as we breathe in, breathing out as you look down, breathing in as you look up, breathing out as you look down. One more time, breathing in, looking up, breathing out, looking down, and then coming to the center, and then placing your toes on the mat, then coming up. Should look like a triangle. This is called downward dog. You might want to pedal your feet. Your feet don't have to touch ground. You're aiming to push them towards the ground, but if they don't touch ground, that's okay. And then just moving your feet, pedaling them. You might want to move side to side. And then coming back to the center. And then bringing one foot up as far as you can. You can stay here or bringing it back. And feeling like your hips are stacked on top of each other. And then you're just going to bring that foot forward. And then coming up and stretching up. And then bringing your hands down. You can place them on your hips or behind you like a prayer, or bind them. And you're going to place the back leg, just place it forward. Now looking at a spot in front of you, just lifting your leg up and lifting, 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 and bringing down. Then raising your hands, coming down, taking that front leg back again, and coming back with both feet on the mat, and then taking the other foot up, stacking your hips, taking it back, taking that leg forward, coming up, and then placing your hands either on your hips. You can bind them or bringing them into prayer. This time I'm going to put hands in prayer, and then looking at your spot in front of you. Then you just bring your back foot slightly forward, and you're looking at your spot in front, just lifting your back foot, just bringing it up, 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 up as far as you can. You might be here, that's fine. even bringing it a bit higher, and then bringing that back foot down, taking your hands up into the air, coming down, taking that front foot back into your triangle, your downward dog, and then you want to come down slowly, placing feet together, and then just coming down and taking a breath, having moved the body, giving it a beautiful stretch, and then coming up, seated on your mat. Then taking your hands to your heart center, just taking a breath. Thank you for practicing with me today. If you enjoy the practice, do subscribe and share with someone who would benefit from this quick body stretch. And I look forward to practicing with you again. And until next time, namaste.